Hello everybody, welcome to my video. In this video I want to talk about the personal profile. I'm Andres Moyano, I'm 22 years old. I'm Ecuadorian and I live in Santo Domingo City. I study biotechnology at the ESP University and I'm in my 5th semester. I'm a chef and I work as a cook or baker and I provide home delivery service because I need to pay for my studies and to help my family. I hate to say this, but I don't like to be a baker. I prefer seafood dishes. My family is small. My mother's name is Mariela and my younger sister's name is Carol. I spend most of the time with my grandparents, Jose and Teresa. They are like my parents and I love them with all my heart. In my free time, I like to play video games and exercise with my pet Astrid. Thanks.